Lovely.
But how are we going to get such a huge pumpkin to the playroom?
One step at a time, Granny Pig. We need to make this pumpkin into a lamp.
Hi there, YouTube. So we're gonna play Minecraft. I'm gonna go to my hotel. Just wait for this. I cut off the video because I need to go somewhere. So this is my enchanting room. And this is my light, like a real light. You can shut it. You can open it like that. I'm gonna shut it. This is the exit room. This is the box. This is my brother's room. This is under construction. This is the mini wrap. Ay, sorry guys, nakulangan ko dito ng This is under construction. This is I'm gonna build the 3 floor of mansion. 1, 2, 3. 3 in the bottom, and 3 in the second top, and 3 in the last row of ceiling. And I'm gonna do that and paste here, and that I'm gonna show this under construction slide. There's wala pa pong hagdan. I'm gonna try it. That is gonna be all. I'm gonna do some buildings here and there. This is not aimbot.
It is playtime at Peppa's Playroom.
That is not aimbot. That is a lucky. That is my talent. Shooting far from the like that pig. That is so far.
I'm working with Mr. Bull.
It looks like Mr. Bull is doing all the work.
Mr. Bull just built the playground. I do the hard bit.
I'm gonna build a building there, a building here, and so many buildings. After in the 2025, my city is all be done, and we're gonna do great back of that. Okay.
Something else that we don't know.
Dito na po nagtatapos. Like and subscribe to my video. Like and subscribe to my video so I gonna get 100,000 subscriber. Please. Dito na po nagtatapos. If you want to see me build a building, show in the comment. Bye.
Shelf is too heavy for one child to lift. Let's try 2 children.